Hi class, I just want to remind you that exam 4 is due today. So today is December 9th, it's Friday. So make sure by midnight you complete exam 4. That means that you should be completing the part A, which is in my stat lab. And remember, you get 2 attempts at that, and your better attempt counts. So go ahead and use both attempts, may as well. Make sure that you've done the personalized homework for the extra credit. You definitely want those extra points here at the end. That final is heavily weighted towards your final grades. You want to make sure you've bumped up your grade as much as possible. And then taking the part B that's in Blackboard, a majority of the points are going to be there. There's a few more questions this time. So make sure you get that taken care of. Notice that there is one more module that's kind of a standalone module, Module 17, that you need to complete then. After that will be the final exam. The final exam is going to be based off of old analysis assignments. So make sure you've gone through all your old analysis assignments and make sure you're able to complete all of those problems that maybe you weren't able to the first time, or maybe you didn't understand the reasoning properly. Remember, in order to go into the feedback for those, you go into the Grade Center in Blackboard. Then you click on the assignment. So if you want to check out your Module 5 analysis, you click on Module 5 analysis, the title of it in the Grade Center. Once you've done that, you'll come to a page that lists the attempts on that assignment. If you then click on the grade for the assignment, that will take you back into the test. I know it's not the most intuitive. You should have received feedback back on the Module 1 analysis of how to do that. But make sure you're going back in there and checking out all of those old feedback. I try to make sure I give you feedback anything you got wrong so you know why you got it wrong. If you don't understand something, shoot me an email. It's really important you understand those topics from those analysis assignments. It's often a concern of what you're going to be required to do in the calculator. Make sure that you go back and look at all the old technology corners. That's on page 2 of every learning module. At the bottom of the learning activity page, there's always a heading called Technology Corner. Make sure you've read that so you understand what you'd be expected to use a calculator for versus what we would only use StatDisk for. So make sure that anything that I tell you need to know how to use the calculator on, make sure you know how to do that. There's a good chance it'll be on the final. All right. If you have any questions at all, please shoot me an email. I'm here for you.